Hi, Lam.
Hello, teacher.
Where are you now, Lam?
I'm in. I am now what to call Vietnamese.
Okay. Did you answer your homework, Lam?
Yeah, because my mom forgot to send it for me.
Oh, okay. Can you send it now?
What teacher?
Can you send your homework, Lam? Did you answer
No,
it?
no, because I didn't answer.
Oh, you did not answer it. Okay, so which means we will be answering it right now. Let me share my screen, Lam. What did you do before our class? Wait, did you just wake up?
Eat. I eat.
Oh, okay. What did you eat? What did you eat, Lam? Noodles?
Yeah, I eat noodles.
Oh, that's delicious. Okay, can you still remember present continuous tense and present simple, Lam?
Yeah. No.
Okay. No? What is present simple, Lam?
uh,
Can you tell me what is present simple? What is present simple again, Lam?
I forgot.
Okay, so again, when we say present simple, and these are the things that we do every day. Okay, so it could be our routines.
Teacher,
Yes.
I think you okay? I have Roblox already.
Oh, are you playing Roblox?
No. I have it, then after I think I will play it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can play it after our class, Lam. Okay, so when we say present simple tense, Lam, these are facts. When we say facts, it's
Teacher, but I
true.
just say that because I can't play it. I just have it.
Okay, you have it, but
Because I think my cousin or anything, he
mhm.
did download, but I don't know.
Oh, okay. Well, actually, Lam, playing Roblox is not recommended for kids. It's not recommended, Lam.
What is work,
They are not
teacher?
advised, Lam, not advised to play Roblox.
He's bigger than me.
Không nên.
Okay, it's not advisable for children to play Roblox, Lam. But yes, if your parents are allowing, then maybe that is okay. Now, let us go back and answering your homework again. When we say present continuous, Lam, these are the actions that um, are happening right now, or it could be future arrangements as well. Okay. Now, when we say present simple, these are facts, routine, habits, that we do. Okay, so generally true. Now, can you tell me the answer for the first one? Sam Blank, volleyball every Wednesday.
Sam plays volleyball every Wednesday.
Yes, very good. It's place. Now, can you tell me, is it present simple or present continuous?
Present continue.
Why is it present continuous? Is it happening right now or around this time? Sam plays volleyball every Wednesday, Lam. So, is it present simple or present continuous?
Present continue.
Present simple. Remember, we can only say that a sentence is present continuous if it is happening right now or if it is a future arrangement. Okay, like for example, Lam is going to eat a dinner here tonight. Okay, that is a future arrangement and we will be using is going present continuous, Lam. Now, what about for two? My sister blank a cake at the moment. What is your answer here?
Mm. My answer is
Take your time, Lam.
mm,
Okay, now can you tell me what is your answer here? My sister blank make a cake at the moment.
my sister makes
At the moment, Lam, at the moment. At the moment, it means right now, Lam. Right now. So, what are we going to use here? My sister Lam.
makes
It's not makes, Lam. We only say makes if that is present simple. But in here, it's a present continuous tense. See, we have here the phrase at the moment, which means that this action is happening right now. Right now. So, my sister, can you tell me again the structure in making present continuous tense, Lam? It's is, are, and am plus the ing, right?
yeah.
Okay, now can you tell me your answer for two? My sister. My sister. Is that Mia?
No.
Oh, is that Mia? Okay. So, my sister is only one. So we will use is and we will make this one a gerund, right? So is making lamb. Okay, is making a cake at the moment. In here, lamb, if you can see the word at the moment, it means right now. So that's why we will use the present continuous, which has the structure of this one is or am and then the ing form of the verb. Now, what about for three, lamb? What is your answer here? Roy? What is your answer here? Roy blank in today. Today, lam, today. Roy,
Uh, Ron.
Roy, you can do it. Just focus, lam. Anyway, I will help you if you can't answer it. Can you try your best first? Can you try to answer it? And if it's incorrect, I will help you. Roy, Roy? Is your answer? Roy is what? Roy is what is your answer, Lam? Roy is yes, Lam. Can you tell me your answer for the third one? Hi, Lam. What you doing, Lam?
I'm not doing anything.
Okay, can you tell me your answer for 3? Roy is what? Roy is
Right is
Mhm. What do you think? Roy is Roy is what is your answer, Lam?
right is
Roy is yeah, what about Roy? Roy is
constantly go to
we're not yet done with this one. Roy is staying. Okay, Roy is staying. See, it's today, Lam, today. Roy is staying in today, but he usually present simple, Lam. He usually what is your answer, Lam?
it's so hard.
No, it's not hard, Lam. You have to focus. See, I am even writing the structure for you. See? If it is happening right now, you're going to use is, are, am, and then the ing. If it is present simple, Lam, all you have to do is to add s or es to the verb. If it is singular, if it's not, you have to use the base form of the verb. So what about in here? He usually blank out to dance every night. He usually, what is your answer? Go, goes, or is going? Mhm. So I've given you options. Can you tell me what is your answer? Is it go, goes, or is going?
Going.
Going. Why is it is going, Lam? It's stated here, Lam. He usually. Okay? Usually. You are going to use the present simple tense, Lam. Is going is present continuous.
Okay.
So, this is incorrect. So, we only have 2 options left. Is it go or goes?
Goes.
Okay, yes, it's goes because our subject right here is just Roy. So, he usually goes out to dance every night. Now, let us have 4. Listen, somebody blank the piano up there. Somebody blank the piano up there. What is your answer here?
Somebody plays
Somebody plays?
the piano.
Is it somebody plays the piano? See, we have here the word listen. Listen, which means the action is happening right now, Lam. It is happening right now. Listen. Somebody, if it's happening right now, Lam, we are going to use is, are, or am. So what are we going to use here? Is it is, are, or am?
Is
Somebody is what?
somebody is playing a
Okay.
piano.
The piano up there. Okay. So listen. Somebody is playing the piano up there. Okay. So next one now. Nowadays, teenagers blank hours on social medias. Nowadays, teenagers blank hours on social medias. What is your answer? What is your answer here, Lam? Nowadays, it is generally true. It is stating
Generally.
facts, Lam. So nowadays, teenagers blank hours on social medias. Is it spends, or is spending?
It's spending.
Is spending? It says nowadays, Lam, not right now. It's not right now. It's present simple, Lam. Present simple. Nowadays, teenagers, we have teenagers. Is it singular or plural? Teenagers, Lam. Is it singular or plural? Lam? Lam?
Singular or plural? Singular, teacher. Is it
Teenagers,
singular?
it is plural. Teenager, Lam, that is,
One.
yeah, that's one.
Teacher,
Teenagers,
I'm hurting my feet.
what?
I'm hurting my feet.
Oh, you're hurting your feet. You should stand, Lam. You can move to another place that makes you feel comfortable. You can go to your bedroom.
No, I'm not in my bedroom, teacher.
Yeah, you can go to your bedroom if that will make you comfortable. So your feet won't hurt. Do you want to go to your bedroom?
No.
Okay, so now let us continue then. Now, since you know that when we say teenagers, that is plural, Lam, what are we going to use here? Nowadays, teenager spend hours on social medias. Nowadays, teenager spends hours on social medias. Or nowadays, teenagers are spending hours on social medias. What is your answer? Is it spends, or are spending?
Spending.
No, not spending, Lam. This is not present continuous, Lam. I told you already. This is not happening right now. Okay, so it's not an action that is happening currently. It is a sentence stating facts, okay, or realities, Lam. So, in here, since our subject is plural, then we will just use the word spend, the base form of the verb. Okay, nowadays, teenagers spend hours on social medias, okay?
Yeah.
Please remember the rule, because we will be discussing the tenses of the verbs, and once we're done with present continuous, we will be moving on to another one. Okay? So, what about for 6? My best friend blank her horse now. Okay, now. Please tell me your answer. What is your answer, Lam?
My answer.
Yes, your answer. My best friend What is your answer here?
My best friend.
What about your best friend?
My best friend is kind.
Okay, your best friend is kind. That's good to know, Lam. But what about in this sentence? My best friend blank her horse now. Is it ride, rides, or is riding? Yes,
Writing.
Lam. Okay, is riding. When you use riding, Lam, don't forget is, are, or because they are needed before the gerund. Okay, so my best friend is riding her horse now. Okay, is riding. Now, what about 4-7? British people blank hundreds of Christmas cards every year. Okay, so this is, okay, I will tell you the clue. This is a fact, Lam. This is fact. Okay, now can you tell me what is the answer here? Is it are writing, right, or right?
Uh,
What do you
mm,
think? Please focus, Lam. It's already 22 minutes, Lam, and we've answered only 6 items.
let me think, teacher.
Okay, please,
There's
please
people
think.
rights.
People, Lam, not person, Lam. When we say person, it's only one. When we say people, that's a lot, Lam. That is the plural form, two or more. Okay, so British people, is it right or right? Is it right or right? Yes, Lam.
Rights.
Why is it right, Lam? Why is it right? See, I told you many times already, we only add S or ES to the verb if it is singular. Our subject here, it's the British people. People, Lam, not person. So, it's just right. Okay? Base form, Lam. Base form. Now, what about for 8? Blank sports in a club? Yes, she does. Okay, in here you have to make a
Yes,
question. Make a question. Blank sports in a club, and the answer is yes, she does. Okay, can you complete the question, Lam? Can you complete the question? Blank. The answer is yes, she does. So what question word are we going to use? Is it do or does?
do,
Why
teacher.
is it
Is it do?
do? Why is it do, love? Why is it do? It's does, love. It's does. See, we only use do if our subject is I, you, we, they. Our subject here, it's she.
Teacher, can you make this my homework too? Because it's hard.
No, this is your homework, Lam, and you did not answer it. That's why we are answering it right now. This was your homework last Thursday. And since you didn't answer it, then we will be answering it right now. And it's not difficult, Lam. You just have to focus. Okay? Because in every time we answer it, Lam, I always tell you, I always remind you the the structure. structure, right? What you should use if it is present continuous, you are going to use is, are, am, and then the ing. If it is present simple, he, she, it, add s or es to the verb. And if it is I, you, we, they, use the base form of the verb. Okay. And with, if it has do, does, and did, whatever the subject is, you have to use the base form. I always remind you about that. So it is not difficult at all. We keep on practicing it. We've been practicing it for almost, I believe, 3 weeks now, Lam. Okay. So now, can you tell me the answer for 8? We have we have talked about question and short forms of answers already. So we have here, yes, she does, which means our question would be, does she
Does
practice
she
or practices?
practices?
No, not does she practices a sport in a club. I told you just now, Lam, with the presence of do, does, and did in the sentence, whatever the subject is, we will use the base form. So it's just practice. Does she practice sports in a club? Yes, she does. See, the question itself here will give you already an idea how to formulate the question. Okay, now what about for 9? I blank eating sweets. I blank eating sweets. Is it don't or doesn't?
Doesn't.
Why is it doesn't, Lam? You answer so quickly, Lam. You have to think. Okay, you
Can
have
I
to.
hear again?
Why do you want to hear? It is already on the screen, Lam. And I'm even underlining it. See, it's in item 9. I blank eating sweets. Is it I don't love eating sweets or I doesn't like eating sweets?
I doesn't like eating sweet.
Why is it doesn't, Lam? Can you tell me? Our subject is I. Our subject is I. It's plural. So, we are not going to use doesn't. Doesn't is only for he, she, it, right? Does and doesn't, that is only for the subject he, she, and it. But in here, we have I, you, we, they. We will use don't and do.
Don't and do.
Yes. Do and don't, Lam, for plural subjects. And since we have I here, it should be I don't love eating sweets. Okay, I don't love eating sweets. Now, after our class today, Lam, please take time to memorize or review the structure, okay? So next meeting, or once we answer another activity, then you will be able to participate and answer it. Okay, don't be confused with the rule. Since we are practicing it every time, then you should be used to it. Okay, get used to it, Lam. Okay, now let us have 10. My neighbors blank lots of people for dinner every week. Remember, every week, Lam, every week. What is your answer here?
Every week.
Yes. There are clues, Lam, in certain sentences that would give you an idea whether you should make a present continuous tense or present simple tense. Now, what about for this one? My neighbors, is it invites, or are inviting lots of people for dinner every week?
Every week.
Yes, it's every week lang, which means it's not happening right now. So, what is your answer? What is your answer, Lam? My neighbors are inviting, my neighbor invites, or my neighbor invite lots of people for dinner every week. What do you think?
Every week.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it's every week, Lam. So, which means what is our answer?
Every week.
Yes, the phrase every week here give you an idea as to what tense you should use in the sentence. Is it present simple or present continuous? What do you think, Lam?
Present continue.
No, it's not present continuous, Lam, because this action is not happening right now. It is a generally true sentence, Lam. It is something that someone do, okay, that they do every week. So, my neighbors, what is your answer, Lam? My neighbors are inviting
Me.
invite
Inviting.
invites or just invite itself.
Invite
Okay,
to
so what is your answer, Lam? Is it are inviting, invites, or invite?
invite.
Okay, yes, just invite, Lam. See, it is every week. So we'll use the present simple. Okay, there you have it. Now, what about for 11? Johnny blank a
Sao
very
vậy? Chưa được
interesting
chơi
book
à?
right now.
Chơi mà. Nhưng bây giờ tụi bà biết anh không chơi cuộc chơi nữa.
What is your answer for 11, Lam? Johnny blank a very interesting book right now. Right now, Lam.
Right now.
Mm-hmm. Hello. Is that your cousin, Lam?
Hello, mình sao đó.
Okay, what is your answer for 11 now? Johnny? Johnny? Johnny, Johnny. What is your answer here, Lam? Johnny blank a very interesting book right now.
Read.
Johnny read? Is it? No, it's not. No, it's not, Lam. Remember, I've encircled the phrase right now because this action is
Để
happening
bên
at
đậu
the
đổ đồ
moment. Okay, it's happening at the moment, Lam.
Con làm luôn
What
nè, tên bên
if it is happening right now? What are we going to use? What will be our structure, Lam? It should be
ở đâu vậy? Ok.
what do you think? Johnny? Johnny read? Johnny reads or Johnny is reading?
Johnny is reading.
Are you guessing, Lam? Are you
No.
guessing? No, you're not. Okay, so yes, that is right, Lam. Johnny is reading. Okay, reading a very interesting book right now. Now, what
Lên đây
about for
thôi.
12? Sally always blank some strong coffee in the morning. What is your answer here?
Ellie needs some strong coffee in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
I never get up before 7:30.
Mm-hmm. Okay, it's get up. This one, Lam, it's needs. Okay, what about 14? Rinda,
Sends an email at the moment.
are you sure with your answer, Lam, or you are just guessing?
I'm sure with my answer.
Okay, so your answer is incorrect, Lam. See, we have here the phrase
Chọn
at
đồ
the
không
moment.
nào.
At the moment, Lam, it means right now, Lam, right now. Okay. Why are there lots of kids in your house, Lam? There are lots of kids in your house right now. Who are they? Are they all your cousins? Or just friends and neighbors?
No, I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. You don't know who they are?
What
Oh
the
my gosh. What do you mean? What the heck? Why did you say what the heck?
I say
Okay.
always.
No, don't say that. Okay, so now what is your answer for 14? Lam, 14.
Chỉ có bánh dạo.
14, Lam, Rinda, blank an email at the moment. At the moment, Lam. What is your answer? Send, sends, or is sending, or sending? Are they helping you? Are they helping
No.
you in any way? What is your answer here,
Sẽ
Lam?
được 2 Robux.
Are you playing Roblox now?
No, I said I didn't have.
Okay. What is your answer, Lam? What is your answer? Please tell me your answer now, Lam.
Đâu có giá. I don't know.
Okay. Now I will give you options to choose from. Is it send, sends,
Since
is, no, I'm not done yet. Is sending or are sending?
sending.
Mm-hmm. Are you sure with your answer, Lam? Are
Yeah.
you sure? Oh, you are very
I'm
sure.
sure.
Now, Rinda, how many is Rinda? How many is Rinda?
And that is 2.
Rinda is only one, right? Rinda is only one, which means we are not going to use are. Okay, so you now have 3 options left, Lam. Rinda, blank an email at the moment. Rinda, sends or sending? Is sending.
Sending.
Okay, it's sending, Lam. See, at the moment, it's happening right now, Lam. Rinda, like you, what are you doing, Lam? I am learning English. I'm learning. Okay, learn and then the ing. Okay, I'm learning. Okay, last one, Lam. Be quiet. The baby blank in his room. What is happening there? What is happening?
I don't know. Everyone just say.
Are they
I
helping
think
you?
they are helping me. Teacher, do you know what I said too? Because my cousin he says too.
Oh, can he speak English, Lam? Can he
Yeah.
speak? Oh, yes, he can. Can you help Lam in answering the last item? Be quiet. The baby blank in his room. What do you think is the answer here? What's the answer here?